What's up everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have something truly special. Something Nike doesn't drop every year, and when they do, it's an instant collector's item. Look at this box. We are talking about the return of the EA Sports collab. Believe it or not, the last time Nike teamed up with EA Sports was all the way back in 2018 with the Phantom Vision. Before that, they started the tradition in 2016 with the Mercurial Superfly, followed by the Hypervenom Phantom 3 in 2017. That makes this the fourth time Nike has given us this legendary collab, and after 7 long years, they are officially back. Now, this year they did something different. They released 2 different colorways. The one I have right here is the high cut version in this stunning light gray. The other version, the low cut, was released in a mint green colorway. And let me tell you that the low cut mint green sold out instantly. I know, most people prefer the low cut. I really wish they had the low cut in the same color. But honestly, because I know how tough light colors are to keep clean, I'm actually thrilled to have this darker colorway. This color is like a wolf gray with a killer glitch pattern. It immediately brings back those old school TV vibes. Alright, let's dive into the unboxing experience. What you get with the special edition is truly next level. This box, designed to look like a retro television, is fantastic. And when you open it up, you're immediately greeted with this cool rating card detail. A must-have for any FIFA or EA Sports FC fan. You also get 2 sheets of wrapping paper instead of the usual one. And here they are. These cleats are simply gorgeous. I'm obsessed with the look and feel of the upper. That carbon fiber aesthetic on the heel is a brilliant touch, and the vibrant green sole plate pops beautifully against the gray. From a purely aesthetic standpoint, I have zero complaints. This is easily one of the most beautiful pair of soccer cleats I've ever seen. Now, while the looks are 10 out of 10, there's one thing I have to point out with this high cut version. They are really tough to put on. I honestly might have to start carrying a shoehorn with me just to save a few minutes before training. However, once you're in, this is a Phantom 6. So you have the great benefits of the ghost lacing system. Once those laces are tucked in, you don't have to worry about them coming undone or getting tangled. Alright, it's one thing to see them on a desk, but it's another to see them where they belong, on the pitch. To give you the most unique look possible, I've decided to show these cleats in 3 different lighting conditions. You'll see how the color shifts in bright sunlight, how it looks under overcast skies, and finally under average indoor lights. This is a truly special drop and a fantastic way for Nike and EA Sports to celebrate their partnership. That is going to wrap it up for today's unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this close look at the Nike Phantom 6 Elite and EA Sports collaboration. If you did, please do me a huge favor. Like this video, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more unboxing and reviews. Let me know in the comments, low cut or high cut, and which EA Sports collab is your favorite of all time. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.